All right, welcome guys to the multi-dimensional trading video series. This is video number 9. Today we're going to have a recap of the number signals. We're going to show it in detail on multiple different assets and show you how it works on multiple different assets. In the last video, we showed the number signals in a live trade and how we used it. This time I'm going to show you how it works across multiple different assets. Okay, so we can start with the DXY. The DXY is obviously one of my favorite things to trade or to look at because it is the volume of the market. It shows you which direction the market is going in, whether it be gold, whether it be the S&P, whether it be Forex to euro dollar pairs. It shows you the overall direction of the market because everything trades against the dollar at the end of the day. So when the dollar has a large downtrend, you're going to see mainly everything in an uptrend, almost every asset in an uptrend, right? When it is on a large time frame downtrend. Okay, we're not saying minute to minute, right? So let's look at the DXY and how the number signals appear all over the chart, throughout the chart, every day, all day. So look at this long wick right here. It came down. That was a crazy wick right there. Now, we'll see exactly which number signal it really lands on. Okay, and I went with 101.369. Look at that. Perfect. Spikes right into that in conjunction with equal lows. Okay? You got equal lows in conjunction with the number signal. It spikes down right into that number and then goes up. Okay. Where did it fall from? Where did the DXY spike into and then short? Well, there we have it. 103.069. Do you see the pattern here? We have clear number signals. Okay, they come in threes. Clearly, we would discount the 0. There's still a 3, 6, 9 there, right? From the bottom to the top of the run. Where did we get our bounce right here, right? Well, I'll go into this area, and for me, the number signal will be 101.963, which is also, if you read it backwards, 369. Okay? And it conjunctions with the equals, equal point of contacts, equal point of contact, horizontal line, in conjunction with the number signals. Look how it works. Okay? We can go into detail on these highs, right? Can you see it already? Clear as day. Here we are. We ran into this number and we went short. Where did we run into? 102.666. And then it fell from there. Caught a nice run down, right? Remember, this is the 15-minute chart. This is a nice, large time frame, okay? This is a large day trading time frame. 15-minute chart. These are huge moves. Huge moves. We want to get more accurate on this rundown. I'll give you slightly more accuracy right here. Do you see this? Equals and number signals. Equal points of contact, right? Across a horizontal line. And it ran across the number signals. Okay? This happens all day, every day, on every chart. Okay? Nice rundown from this number. Huge rundown from this number. Nice bounce from this number. Nice bounce from this number. Do you see how this works? The way we look at the number signals is if the price is coming down towards the number, we're looking to take long positions. If the price is running up towards the number signal, we're looking to take short positions. It is that simple when we use the number signals. Some people use Fibonacci retracements, and I've seen my friend use a fib on his chart. It looks like it works. It looks very accurate. However, I like to use the number signals because they are on point. They are easy to read. I can apply them to any chart that I want. And they're all numbers we all recognize. 666, 369, right? 963, 444, 777, 420, 316, 333, 555. Everyone recognizes these numbers from somewhere in their life. So on the chart, psychologically wise, they're going to resonate with people when they start to put in their orders, right? So the market is going to be structured that way. Okay? We can move on to the US 500, the futures market, and see how these numbers line up as well. Runs into and flatlines at 4793.6. Okay, any variation. I got 936, 369, 639. Does not matter. Any variation. We see how it behaves at that number signal, and then we know we have a high probability trade. Shorts from there. This is the 15-minute chart once again. Runs all the way down. What did it bounce off of? 4755 or 4755.5. Still, the number signal here is 555, right? Goes down, flushes through, comes back up towards that number, falls again, right? Because it broke it. Once it breaks it, you know when it comes back up, it's time to continue the other way. Simple as that. When did the direction change? What number signal did we get the direction change on? Look how powerful that uptrend is. This is the 15-minute candle, 15-minute chart. Once again, this is huge moves. 4666. Huge spike. Right into it, right out. Okay? This is not something that is made up. This is something you can go and back test and see it happens on every chart. The chart, the price reverses at very specific numbers. Every day, all day, you'll start to recognize them as you practice, as you back test, as you continue to do it on multiple different assets. Even if you don't trade those assets, you just practice finding the number signals. lining them up, seeing how the price reacts each time it gets to a number signal. Once again, if the price is running down towards that number signal, we're looking for longs. Okay? If the price is running up towards the number signal, we're looking for shorts. Running down towards the number signal, we're looking for longs. Okay? Running up towards that number signal, we're looking for shorts. It is that simple. Okay? It's more simple than people make trading out to be. It really is. We do not need fancy indicators. We don't need fancy tools. We really don't need any of that. Give me a trend line and a number, and I know where I'm at on the chart. It is simple as that. And if you practice in this way, you will know where you're at on the chart as well. Simple as that. Let's look at the SPY ETF, right? We'll go down to the 15-minute chart as well. But look at the daily, because we're on the daily here. The daily bounce huge, right? Right off of, what is that number? 466.60, right? We still have our variation of 666 in there. It's as simple as that. Clear number signal. It's time to go long. Clear number signal. It's time for a reversal. Fell for days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right into that number. Then what do we get? Huge spike. Green day. We'll take it down to the 15. Look how the chart behaves at that number. Okay. Run down. Bounces. Run up to it, shorts. Run up to it, shorts. But this is the main area. Glides through it, comes back down towards it, long, down towards it, long. Do you guys see the pattern here? Do you see how it operates over and over? You find the clear number signal, you cannot lose. Either it's going to be near it, above it, at the number, close to the number, in the vicinity of the number. It's time for reversal. If it's coming down towards it, we can go long. We have high probability to go long. If it's running up towards it, it's most likely going to short there. Okay? It's as simple as that. We call this the number signals. They give us clear signals where to take our trades, where we will have high probability trades. The signals are on the chart. I do not need any type of fancy tools. We have everything we need. We have the number signals, the equal lows, the equal highs, the break evens, the bubble theory. We do not need anything else to pull funds from the market. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is something that will give you guidance on how to trade the markets. This is education only. Use it, back test it, use it on multiple assets. We got gold, we got Forex, you got the indices, you got Bitcoin. You guys want to take a look at Bitcoin? Let's go ahead and look at BTC for a second here. What is that? Number signals all day long. What's that? 227. Okay, I know you guys have heard of the show 227, right? The numbers that are out there, they're not just random numbers. These numbers are used as signals on the chart throughout society, throughout the world, all day, every day. Okay? And we can use these numbers to pull funds from the market. It's as simple as that. We'll go right into BTC. Look at Bitcoin, how accurate this was. I'll move this one real quick so you guys can see how accurate this is. Runs all the way down, 40,227. Runs up, I have 44,666. That's where it falls. Runs down to the number signal, longs. Runs up to the number signal, shorts. It is simple as that. And then we have it in conjunction with break evens, even more of a confluence, right? Where all these people were, they all got screwed, flushed out, they consolidated. You know, everyone's waiting on this ETF to go down. Everyone's putting all this leverage in the system. It gets flushed out. So some people are holding their positions. By the time it gets back to them, what happens? They're all going to sell. They all bought at this number, 444666, and they all got shitted on from this number, right? Are they all sold from this number? And we understand we can take advantage of the chart or the human behavior or the number signals. We can use that to our advantage. Okay, if you want to get even more accurate on the number signals, we'll show you 777. Because these numbers play all day long. Look how accurate that is. Okay, 444,777, 444,666. Look how the chart behaves at it, around it, near it, in the vicinity of it. This happens all day, every day. These are huge moves to the downside. This was huge moves to the upside. Okay? Looking at the number signals. Look at that. We went from 44666 all the way down here. Okay, to 42. That's over 2,500 points or so. Like 2,400 points to the downside. $2,400 to the downside. That's massive. Just playing the number signals in conjunction with the break evens. Understanding the psychology of the market. What the market is most likely to do. Just having a clear understanding of that. And that alone allows you to print dollars, nice chunks of change in the market. This is no joke, guys. This happens on every chart. I can go from Bitcoin to indices to gold to Forex. It does not matter. We can do this on any chart, any asset. Okay? All day, every day. This has been video number 9. Our last and final video of this series, number 10, will be coming soon. Remember, back tests, practice. Don't go out and just say I can trade now and use real live funds. Use a demo account. Trading View, paper trading. MT4, MT5, paper trading. C Trader, whatever platform you're comfortable with, go out, back test. Okay, this is easy to do. This is easy to practice. Once you get that confidence, you'll know that it happens over and over on every chart, and you'll know how to apply it. Equal highs, equal lows, break evens, the number signals, the bubble theory. Okay? Watch the other videos. Go back through them. Watch them 2 times, 3 times. You will start to understand that this happens over and over on every chart. Okay? This is multidimensionaltrading.com. Check us out. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on X. Okay. You want premium access. We have live Q&A, simple charting. We also are offering our private mentorship, live trading. You could treat the live trading as signals if you like. That is on you. But we don't miss. So you can sign up for that, get access to that. Remember, like, subscribe. We will see you guys in video number 10 soon. Yeah. Happy New Year's, everyone. Peace.